My name's Rhys Gerard. I'm one of the directors at AE Sewing Machines. We're a UK business and we traditionally work in the textile industry. The company was started by my dad back in the early 2000s after working in the industry since he was 15, 16. I then joined straight from school in 2009 and have been working here ever since. And the challenges that we face in our industry is an aging workforce. Especially over the last 20 years, the textile industry has skipped a generation. That's opened up the door for automation for us, and people are finding new ways to manufacture products, and that can be from any type of textile, whether it be upholstery, clothing, automotive, even military. We've identified a gap in the market for having this type of technology in a super traditional industry. And it's something that we're really excited to bring to the UK. We work directly with the customer to focus on ensuring that we're giving them the best quality service, the best quality products at the fastest lead time possible. And the reason that we were so passionate to work with Vention is because they offered us a full turnkey solution, right from concept to delivery to integration and then deployment. So the way that this process works is an operator would load a standing workstation and then they would move out of the zone and the rotary turntable will move in a positive 180 degrees. And then a universal robot, UR10, will go in and ultrasonically weld two pieces of material together. While that robot is doing that particular task, the operator can load then the next piece. Proving out this concept was an absolute dream because we used the Vention machine builder platform. Everything was in 3D. We were able to do reach studies, we were able to simulate the way that the turntable would act, and we were able to get the customer involved directly on the platform so that they could visually see exactly what we were going to be delivering to them. The Vention team were very reactive in the way that they did changes. They were almost an extension of our team. They were our design team. I would think that the main challenges was the initial concept was rather large and bulky. Having a very brief discussion over a virtual meeting with the team, it meant that we were able to give them some pointers and say, listen, we need to work within a certain square footage or square meterage, and we made it happen. The equipment arrived with us from order within 6 to 8 weeks. We work between the assembly instructions and we had a monitor with the 3D drawing on it. The machine building platform gives you a recommended hours of how many hours the unit is going to be built, and we were pretty much spot on. It took 45 hours to build, and that's exactly what we had budgeted for. So Vention has been a great partner of AE Sewing Machines, especially introducing automation into the textile industry. We're at the forefront of automation, and we're wanting to prove to customers that introducing automation is a good thing because it's going to enable onshoring, it's going to enable further jobs into the industry, and it's going to make sure that British manufacturing is back at its peak.